Hey guys, I'm Mr. Lewis, and I'm your 7th grade social studies teacher. I'm real excited to meet you guys, and if you had Miss Miller last year, some of you guys may even recognize me. Social studies is important because it teaches you not only to be an engaged learner, but also a well-informed and responsible citizen and future voter. And really, that's the point of this class. I don't want to just throw random facts at you. I want you to learn how to think like a historian and develop skills that are going to be useful to you both inside and outside of the classroom. In this class, we're going to cover from about 1450 through the modern era. So we're going to talk about things like the Renaissance and the Protestant Reformation, the Age of Exploration and Colonialism, the Age of Revolutions, the World Wars, and so on and so forth. It's a lot of ground to cover, but I'm going to try my best to keep things interesting for you guys. So we'll go over rules and procedures and my classroom expectations, all the stuff that you guys have probably forgotten since March. We'll go over that in the first couple days of class, but the main thing that I want you to get out of this video is to just not be nervous about this year. I know it's going to be kind of weird, at least in the beginning. Definitely not like a normal school year, but it's going to be a learning experience for everybody. This is new for you guys, it's new for your parents, it's new for us teachers even. But it's going to be a learning experience for everybody, so don't let yourself get stressed out. It's going to be fine. If you ever need to reach me, you can email me at steven.lewis@ucps.k12.nc.us. So that's steven.lewis@ucps.k12.nc.us. I can't promise that I'll respond right away because I will be in class teaching Monday through Thursday, but I do promise that I'll try to respond within 24 hours. Again, guys, I look forward to working with all of you, and I'll see you soon.